Top lighty people them house on fire. Top lighty people. Come here, make sure call the police them. Yeah, call the police them. You cannot walk on a light so much house. You cannot burn down so much house. You can't burn down so much house, brother. You can't burn down so much house. The police have to get rid of you. The police have to get rid of your community.
You don't want no girl none at all.
No, man, I don't want no girl. I know. So
I
don't follow them with them say in your mind.
That's why them have say stay.
No, me no business. If they want to say, if they want to say, we are for their business, that are for their trouble. If they want to say, no, fuck pussy, for their business, that are not for me.
But they say no fuck no pussy.
Yes, make them turn they talk.
But uncle no fuck no pussy.
But me don't know the reason why me not do it.
But me cannot fuck.
Well, me not do it in there yet.
Because he dead like Michael Jackson.
Well, Mexican they not dead. Me not do it in there yet.
But uncle no fuck no pussy.
No, make them turn they talk.
Uncle a board man.
Yes, make them turn they talk about board man.
But uncle a fucking board man.
Yes, board. Yeah, alright, me a board man.
Back low, we can't hear you.
You see the buy girl me used to eat, me no deal with them things. You roll up and down.
Why say you buy girl and used to eat?
Yeah man, no. Me mean go.
You to eat girl?
Settle down now.
Is it settle down with go?
Yes, settle down.
Settle down with go?
No, roll up and down.
So go you want to settle down with?
No, me no. I say go. But no, have to do with me.
Go, I don't think you want to settle
No
down with,
man, me not do dirty girl.
Sit down in your face, huh?
No, dirty.
A girl don't want to sit down in your face.
No, me not do it girl.
You did girl?
Cheerless.
And I back the fucking cocky 4 times, I back the cocky and shake it 4 times to circle around at the fucking square. Come round for the cocky, she want the big old cocky, the church woman. When she come for the cocky, she afraid to beg the cocky. I'll rent she pay for me for the cocky. Before she gets me asleep in the church blood clot yard, every morning they get bust me. They tell her I have a little job when I wash the car. Well, I didn't want the big old cocky, you know. But God no, she want me cocky in the church. And then the cocky she really want to know. Yeah, but she love God, you know. But them woman never get them own cocky, that's why I never go in the church and pretend and give her a blood clot for my God. Make him know it's a nasty boy that in the church. But mama clot a carnival in Europe, no carnival no come to have a tree. None of them no come to have a tree.
I want to go on here, sir. Are your money a contract? Eh? I work and get work. So you have to come up here and chop up your man. I don't know. So you come up here with machine for chop up your man? Jesus Christ. Look how you in love. You tell us I shop him go. So you think a bunning can give you? You might give a bun? Jesus. You don't know nothing about him? My God. Jesus. Because the man looking at the camera now, man. You're a star now.
No.
Come on. Are you a come?
Yeah. You want some here?
You want some here?
Yeah.
Can I tell the man to buy some here?
In Canada, money.
That's why I'm a rich. Jeez, you man I got beat you and hurry.
Don't not that, yeah.
Alright.
Do I capilla?
Alright.
Capilla?
You see woman I come up here with my shit for you. Alright, oh Jesus Christ. Alright, put out my shit.
No, me ask you, capilla. It's not capilla. And then you're not left one to capilla go from you're not for fearing me.
You hear that? You're not for play with the woman. Put out my shit. Oi, remember say man have to work, your money for cook for you, know? So put out my shit. I'm not bother with the foolishness. Oi, you hear me say? What me say?
What me tell you say? You know me I go slap you. Jerome. What me tell you say, boy? What me tell you say? I don't want nobody have boots, you know. I remember see a bicycle right on the road, you know.
Me not put no fear in you, but stop walk and call the woman name now. Stop. And that's why I can't go nowhere at all with you, you. And that's why I can't go nowhere with you. No. Jerry lie, of course, him lie. Jerry, you not a lie. Hey, Jerome? No, come look, no, I don't know where you put him, I don't know. You not a lie.
No, lie shall perish.
So you know what me I go do? Me I go look for 5 girls. I'm gonna come back live or I do one video. Me don't know, me I go look for 5 girls from the internet. No, me I go show you that more. You be totally honest with me with the 5 girls. Then me I go show you from the phone. No, you're not gonna do nothing. Just show you them. So, more you be honest. Yeah. I'm want you be honest with the 5 girls. Them.
Me do that already. Pop the balloon.
No, pop the balloon is what up on the phone. Me I go show you 5 girls.
Lighter there.
Me I go show you 5 girls. I'm want you.
Who am a lighter?
Jerome.
Only for me lighter, I can't see. Don't be the pie and follow me.
No, don't put in the pan. I can't slay in the name of
Jesus. No, cigarette.
Are you don't put the pan?
She love that about fool in the chase. Don't put the pan this and don't put.
I want to pass here and I just remember when the car come back, me give you.
Oh, me?
No, Jerry.
Lighter.
Yeah.
There someone.
No, me there town and I never like the slippers when I see me yesterday and I just buy one slippers for him.
Better me see me lighter.
I'm going to pay lighter than me and smoke.
Better me get me cigarette look away.
Looking at cigarette box.
No, me put lighter in cigarette box.
I don't know where they can know.
I look inside. I left it inside.
I don't know what it is.
You don't see how women have a...
Don't be a follow me up.
Stop set up here follow you up now.
Yeah, you bring them from here.
And stop where woman top because I want your sister top that you have on.
Yeah, no, Jerry, I would say
Just have a lighter in the nose.
Jerry,
I know him lighter there. You see my ear? I mean I got church for morning, I have to fix my ear. Jeremy, I got church tomorrow.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And nobody walk out of church fast, you know. I'm want you sober go to church, not drunk.
And I say, yeah,
Me no want you drunk, I go to church.
right?
No, I'm want you sober. I'm want you stay till church over. More you stay till church over. So Jerry,